attach it to the ground to make sure the tent don't blow away. These are things that put under the sleeping bag, making it soft and warm. Now I set up the sleeping bag. I can see the stars, maybe the whole Milky Way! First, let's pick up some small branches in the forest. The small branches are easy to burn. We'll pick some middle size, like wood. I'm gonna set up a campfire. This is a triangle campfire. Now I'm gonna burn it over here. Oh! Yeah. Oh. Tonight I'm gonna make a delicious and crispy roast duck using this campfire. I think it's probably gonna light up. Tonight we're gonna make roast duck. And we're gonna make the skin crispy and the inside is still juicy. Now I can cook in this bag. Now I'm going to add some carrots and sausage. Oh, this is my camping dinner. Let's check the roast duck. Wow. Now time for a piece of roast duck. Bake the sweet potatoes. First, I'm going to put it in the edge, almost to the edge. Then I'm going to roll it like this. Oh, don't roll it actually. And then wrap it like this. Wrap it around it. Okay. Then this one.